Tackling child poverty has long been a key focus for the Welsh Government in the Senedd, but Plaid Cymru say that not enough is being done, with an increasing amount of children and young people in Wales living in poverty. There are whispers that the UK Government could remove the two-child benefit cap, so Eluned Morgan wants to know how the Welsh Government are going to make the most of this.
When Welsh Government scrapped its target of eradicating child poverty by 2020, it said that the actions of the UK Government on welfare reform were to blame. Now, if the two-child cap is to be removed now, what will the First Minister's reasoning be now for not setting new, bold and ambitious child poverty targets?
As the Welsh Labour Party, very clear and consistent in saying we want to see a removal of that two-child benefit cap. This was something we asked under the Tories, it's something we consistently asked for under the Labour Government, and I do hope that the Chancellor will respond and will scrap that benefit cap when it comes to the budget. We in Wales are doing what we can in order to support child poverty rates in Wales, to improve those, and you can see that in the fact that actually since 2022 we've invested £7 billion in supporting the poorest communities in Wales. Just to give you an example, the education maintenance allowance, we've increased that from £30 per week to £40 a week. We've got a stronger chance of tackling child poverty in Wales by working with the UK Government.
Almost a decade ago, the Welsh Government scrapped child poverty targets, but Eluned Morgan says that experts in the field believe it's a poor decision, so wants to know whether a target for the Welsh Government to aim at in reducing child poverty would help turn things around.
Barnardos, the National Children's Bureau and Amnesty UK are among 67 signatories backing calls for the long-awaited UK Government child poverty strategy to include targets, echoing repeated demands for Welsh Government to do so likewise before its strategy was published. But those demands were ignored. Now, if the First Minister thinks she is right on this, why does she think that experts in the field of child poverty are getting it wrong?
Yeah. The Claim What Yours campaign has helped 90,000 people in Wales to claim the welfare benefits that they're entitled to. The Council Reduction Scheme offers financial assistance to 260,000 low-income households in Wales. We've got the discretionary assistance funds, we've got food banks, educational maintenance allowance, single advice fund, fuel bank vouchers, free school meals. All of these things go towards helping out with that situation in relation to child poverty.